Hi everyone, Tibran's here. This is how you normally highlight cells by selecting, dragging down to the all of the list. Stop. This is time consuming for voluminous data. What you need to do, position your cursor onto the first cell you want to highlight. For instance, mine is B3A, so I'll be there. Then you press the control key plus shift. Then you're going to use the navigation keys. So the navigation to the right, then to the downwards. You'll have selected the whole data. Also, you can press on shift and navigate up or to the left. As you can see, it's moving to the left or the right. This reduces up to where you want. If you scroll to up, to the left reduces the number of columns. Up reduces the number of rows. Down increases. And that's how you should go about it. It's the simplest way on how you can highlight cells in Excel.